My name is Chuma Banda from Innoray Medical Equipment. Yes, I'm here today to demonstrate to you how the patient monitor works. So this which I have with me here is a functional patient monitor. Yeah, so when we started, we got the green button here, which indicates that it's running on alternating current. Then we've also got these buttons which are here. There's the menu button here, there's the recording button which we press when we want to take the recordings of the patient. Then there's also the freeze button. We press the freeze button when we want to take in the recordings as and also to indicate them. Then there's also the alarm button which will go off when there's an abnormality in the patient. Then so we've got the first one here. There's the ECG, which will indicate that we use the ECG to monitor how the heart is. Then there's also the NIBP. This is where we monitor the blood pressure. Then there's also this one for the temperature, where we monitor the temperature in the patient. Then there's the SpO2, which we use to monitor the oxygen levels in the patient. Then there's also the one which we use for respiratory. So maybe I can also just try to demonstrate to you on how we'll be able to monitor the patient, the oxygen levels on this patient. Okay, so we should start having a reading down there. Okay, so here we are monitoring the oxygen levels in this patient. So like on this patient is saying that the oxygen level is too high. Okay, yes, so I'll maybe just try to demonstrate to you on how we're going to capture the oxygen levels on this patient. So we should start having a reading there. Yes. So it's showing us that the oxygen levels are normal now there, because when it shows us 99, that shows her oxygen levels are perfectly normal. So that's it I had for you for today.